So we're here checking out our complete turnkey investment property in Cleveland Heights, Ohio. So much features to check out. I don't know about you, but I'm ready to tour this beauty. Let's check it out.
We just can't decide which accent wall we like best. With most investment properties, you have to get in there, roll up your sleeves, and get to work. Not with this turnkey ready property.
When you do investment properties the right way, you're really going to capture the market. Check out all the detail in this kitchen. I don't know, guys, I might just want to move in myself. Check out the custom tile work in the shower.
This upstairs unit, it features 3 bedrooms, but not only that, it also features an additional 2 bedrooms right off the living room.
Check it out, I just found a bonus room. So we were just saying, there's so much value add opportunities, even though this home is turnkey. You've got 3 bedrooms downstairs, 3 bedrooms upstairs, with 2 additional bonus bedrooms or an office. You could actually convert that extra 3rd floor bonus room into maybe a 3rd floor unit. So there's Airbnb opportunity as well as other additional investment opportunities. Who knows?